Hello, my name's Lowry, and today I'll be showing you how to generate optimized SEO content using the tool SEOpital. The first step is to click on the button Generate Content. Step 2, click on Create a Content. Here you can choose the language of the content that you want to generate. Next step will be to choose the content type, and you have two options, blog or sales page. If you click on the sales page option, you can write your company name and it will generate personalized content for you. This is where you will write your main SEO keyword. Here you will write your title for the content. If you don't have any ideas, you can click on this button here, which will generate 5 titles for you. Step 2 is where you're going to be working on the plan for the content. If you click on the button here, you can click to customize the outline. So you have two options. You can either click on the first button to customize your own plan, or we can generate a plan for you based on the types of content plans that your competitors are using. Once the plan has been set up, SEOpital will go online to get interesting information and insert it into your content. This will then be relevant to your readers. So if you click here, you can actually personalize each section with specific instructions. So this section here is about customizing the writing style and tone used. So you have two options. You can provide a sample text to inspire SEOpital for writing, or you can provide specific editorial guidelines. So this section here is about customizing the keywords that will appear in the article. So we will be optimizing the keywords for you. And if you click here, you can write in a selection of keywords that you'd like to appear in the content. So here you can put the link for your existing pages, and our tool will choose the most relevant links for the internal linking. So in this section here, you can customize the conclusion. You have the option to add images to the article and also to add a frequently asked questions section. So once you have finished the setup, you can click on this button here to generate the article. It will take about 10 to 15 minutes to generate. So you can access your generated content here. So you have it in a rich text format with the images. Here you have it in an HTML format. And here is the meta description. So here you can connect to your website and you can publish automatically on your website.